Redox in terms of electron transfer. In terms of electron transfer, oxidation is a loss of electrons, while reduction is a gain of electrons. Generally, all redox reactions involve electron transfer. Hence, a redox reaction can be defined as one in which electrons are transferred from one element to another, that is, from the reducing agent to the oxidizing agent. Example: when sodium reacts with chlorine to form sodium chloride in ionic bonding, sodium uses an electron to chlorine, meaning that sodium is oxidized while chlorine is reduced. So, let's see here. We have oxidation is loss of electrons. Oxidation is loss of electrons, while reduction is gain of electrons. Or rig. Oxidation is loss of electrons, while reduction is gain of electrons. We find here that sodium loses an electron to give sodium plus. This is oxidation. Chlorine gains an electron to give chloride ion. This is reduction. Thus, a substance that loses electrons is oxidized, while the substance that gains electrons is reduced. Note, in redox reactions, the number of electrons lost by the reducing agent must be equal to the number of electrons gained by the oxidizing agents. So a balance in the number of electrons lost and gained must be attained in redox reactions. Example: reaction between sodium and oxygen to give sodium oxide. Now we see here that the sodium atom loses an electron to give the sodium ion. So we have to multiply all of these times 2, while the oxygen atom can gain 2 electrons to give the oxide ion. So if we add these two reactions, we have, so these 2 electrons will cancel the 2 electrons there. So this will give us times 2, give us 2 sodium plus, they give us 2 sodium ions bonding to 1 oxide ion. Many similar reactions studied have shown some changes accompanying such reactions. Example: the charge of the positive ion is increased, that is, let's take copper losing 2 electrons to give copper 2 plus. The charge of the ion increases, while the charge of the negative ion decreases. So for oxygen, we move from oxygen gaining 2 electrons to give 2 minus. So it moves from, the charge here is 0, moves from 0 to 2 minus, that is decreasing. This eventually leads to an even broader view of redox reactions. However, the most concise definition of oxidation and reduction, oxidizing and reducing agents, are those relating to electron transfer.